Hi everyone, welcome back to another amazing recipe, and today we are going to see a delicious sauteed zucchini mushroom recipe that's quick, healthy, packed with flavors, and is also keto friendly. And friends, you can enjoy this recipe as a sides along with herb rice and grilled chicken or fish, or even with grilled cottage cheese if you are a vegetarian. So let's begin with this quick and amazing recipe. And here in this bowl I have taken a packet of button mushrooms, and I will simply slice this into half. Next here I have taken a medium size green zucchini. First we will trim the edges and then roughly divide into 3 parts. And now we will divide each part into half and then into further half. I'll cut the zucchini diagonally in this way, keeping the zucchini pieces slightly thick and big as we want them to remain a bit firm after it has been sauteed. So into this shape and size I have cut them. And here are our mushrooms sliced into half and zucchini cut diagonally. Also will include some red and yellow bell peppers cut diagonally into medium portions. And since I will make garlic zucchini mushroom, you will need lots of minced garlic. I have used here 4 to 5 large garlic pods, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we will drizzle a teaspoon of olive oil in a pan. We'll spread the oil on all the sides of the pan, and when the pan is moderate hot, we will add the mushroom sliced into half, and on medium to high flame we will stir fry the mushrooms until the mushrooms releases its moisture, and will saute each sides of the mushroom until they turn golden brown in color. And as you can see, the mushrooms has released its moisture and we'll let them dry completely. After about 1 to 2 minutes, we will flip the mushrooms one by one so as to saute them golden brown from both the sides. And once the mushrooms are well sauteed, we will make some space in the middle of the pan, into which we will add a little butter. And as the butter starts to melt, we will add the minced garlic as well as a teaspoon of chili flakes. We will now saute the garlic and chili flakes until they turn aromatic and golden brown in color. And now time to add the zucchini pieces. On medium flame we will saute the zucchinis for 1 to 2 minutes along with the mushrooms so that they can absorb the flavors of butter garlic. And now without stirring we will let them cook on medium flame for few seconds. We'll now quickly season the veggies with some salt as per taste, around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then this is Italian mixed herbs, adding a teaspoon of it, which will greatly enhance the flavor of our sauteed veggies. We'll stir and mix the seasonings along with the mushrooms and zucchini until they are well combined. And finally into this we will add the bell peppers. We have added them at last as we want to retain their right color and crunch. Also, we don't want to overcook the bell peppers and zucchinis. We'll saute them for just 1 minute or so. That's it. Our garlic and herb sauteed mushroom zucchini is now ready to be served hot. So friends, I hope you will try this quick, easy, healthy and delicious garlic and herb sauteed zucchini mushroom recipe. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks and follow my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.